Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel where we talk about technology and drones. And today is a really special day because I'm going to customize one of my gear which is really near and dear to my heart. And those of you who know me can tell I'm a really big fan of customization. I customize almost everything. All of my gears are customized either to give it a personal touch or to take more out of it. Just like this transmitter I showed a couple of videos back on how I customize it, give it a more personal look and add more features to it by adding some external add-ons. Today is a no different day. I'm doing it to one more gear of mine, and what it is, let me show you. Well, it's in my pocket, the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air intro. Alright, we are back and we were talking about customization. So customization is a great way to make your things more personal. It makes you stand out of the crowd, and call it customizations or essential add-ons, because after making this customization which I'm going to show you in this video, you are going to take more out of this drone. You are going to do things which you were not able to do before that because of certain limitations it's having out of the box. And I'm going to show you 3 different things to customize this drones, and this is applicable for every DJI drone out there. You just have to buy the product which I'm going to show in this video according to your drone which you are having. And before we start customizing this drone, I would like to take a minute to thank Big Lamb Designs for sending me custom skins for these drones. Yes, you have to pimp it up, and thank you very much Big Lamb Design for sending me the skins which I'm going to show here. This video is sponsored by them, so huge thanks to them for making it possible. And here is the skin they sent me. So they have a lot of design on their Facebook store. I'll link it down below, you can check it out. So this is the one which I requested for. This is a camo red color, and you know I'm a big fan of camo colors, so we are going to use this skin on this drone. And to show you how to do that, I'll switch to the overhead cam and let's start.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Ground, 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 ground.
Taking a break from the process because I quickly wanted to share an update. So there's an amazing community out there known as WomenWhoDrone, comprising of amazingly talented women who flies drone, take amazing breathtaking photos and into drone business. They are promoting drones to more and more women and bridging the gender gap which we have in this industry. So they're currently doing a crowdfunding campaign. They wanted to build some elite courses out of it, so more and more women can participate and join this amazing community of drone pilots. And as a drone pilot around the world, as a drone company, if you deal in this drone business, I think we should definitely support them. We should definitely back them, not only because they have some amazing backers perks, but also to promote drones to different women around the world. I will leave a link to their Facebook community and the crowdfunding campaign down there in the description. Make sure to check it out, support them in any way possible, back the crowdfunding campaign, and also let them know we are here to support and they will really appreciate. Now back to the video.
Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, right, oh dancing, right, oh dancing, oh big, oh dancing, right, oh big, oh dancing, right, oh dancing, right, oh dancing, oh big, oh dancing, right. Stay down to the dancing, dance, right, oh right, dancing, dance, right, right, dancing, dancing, oh dancing, oh right, dancing.
Done. And this looks amazing. Just check it out. Check it out. How cool is that? And even the remote and the batteries. So I really like the process. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. you really have to figure it out where to put the skin. And this is a really good quality skin. I have no problem with it. It has very tight tolerances. That means it will go everywhere. You just have to be patient. That is my recommendation. Be patient, take your time when you are doing it for the very first time, and you will get good results. Even if you did some mistake, don't worry to peel it off and apply it again. It's that simple. And yeah, that is all. It took me around 20 minutes to do this. I definitely love it. I definitely want to flaunt it. I will be posting a lot of photos on Instagram. Alright, so that was the first customization I talked about. Now on to the next one. So let me make some space here, and I want to show you this. So what is this? Basically it's a range extender for your DJI Mavic drones. As you know, this DJI Mavic Air runs on Wi-Fi signal and not the regular RF signal which Phantom or Inspire or DJI Mavic Pro runs on. This is having a significant less range as compared to them. I get a range of like 1 mile at max with it, but I wanted to go more. So to enhance the range, you can use something like this. So these are the antenna mounted range extender. You can use it by mounting it on your remote antennas, and it will slide on the antennas like this, and this will give you more range. So my testing result has proved that this gives me almost as 1.5 to 2x range, and I am able to go more far places. Basically how this works is there are metal foils over here, and these forms a beam, a strong beam, and focus it on one direction. So it will give you a more range in one direction. One thing to keep in mind while using this range extender is you always wanted to point these antennas to the direction of your drone. So if your drone is flying this way, you cannot point it antenna on this way. So make sure to do that, and you will get a good range. I will link all the products down below if you wanted to buy. I got it from Bangkok, China, and this is really good. It also clips like this and makes it very easy to carry. You can throw it on your Mavic bag. And yeah, this is the product I wanted to show, the second customization, or you can say necessity. So I'll put it over here. And the last thing I wanted to show in this video is a really essential thing. If you are into drone photography, if you're into aerial videography, you cannot escape without it, and that is the ND filters. Yes, so ND stands for neutral density filters, and I am testing different ND filters for different DJI drones these days. So I ordered this one. This is from JSR. I just ordered this one single unit of ND16 because I first wanted to try out what is the quality of this, and I'm really impressed with the quality, and I'm going to order more such in coming weeks. So this ND filter, what it does, let me tell you. So basically there's a rule of thumb in cinematography, and that is the shutter speed at which you are shooting the video should be twice as much as your frame rate. So if you're shooting at 24 frames per second, your shutter speed should be 1/48th of a second. So basically what happens on a bright sunny day is when you put your shutter speed to twice as much as your frame rate, a lot of light comes into your sensor and it overexposes the area which you do not want. So your picture will look blown out, extensively overexposed, and has this white patchy and undesirable areas, and you do not want that. Another instance where you really wanted the ND filter is long exposure photography. So when you wanted to do a long exposure photography, like you wanted to shoot the water hitting the beach, when you wanted to shoot those amazing waterfalls, you want a shutter speed to be at least 1 second or 2 seconds to capture all the movement. And when you put a shutter speed to 1 or 2 seconds on a bright daylight, immediately your photos will be blown out. You cannot see anything except that white big cloud, and that is where ND filter comes handy. At that time you want an ND filter of very high value like ND 500, ND 1000 or ND 10000 depending on how bright is the sun that day. So a quick recap, we talked about drone skins and how to customize the look of the drone by applying the skins. We talked about range extenders and how you can use this to extend the range. We also talked about the ND filters and how they can help you achieve more cinematic results in your video. So that's it for today's video, but stay right there. This is a giveaway time. I'm doing a quick giveaway. So Big Lamp Design sends me one more skin. I'll keep it a secret, and it's a really beautiful skin for Mavic Air, trust me. To participate in the giveaway, you just have to like this video and send me a photo of your DJI Mavic Air drone in my Instagram DM. The link is down below. And this giveaway is only for people living in India currently because I cannot ship internationally because of logistic issues. So that is all about today's video and the giveaway. I'll announce the winner result on my Instagram soon, so make sure to follow me there. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.